Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make easy and delicious teriyaki chicken with homemade teriyaki sauce, which you can enjoy as a quick meal with steamed broccoli. So friends, let's get started with the making process. So to make teriyaki chicken, I have taken here 3 boneless thigh cut into small cubes like this. Try to use thigh portion instead of breast in this recipe as they turn out juicy and soft. And now we'll quickly season them with some crushed salt and some freshly crushed black pepper. Mix the seasoning well with the chicken cubes and we will keep this aside for 10 minutes. And now we'll make our homemade teriyaki sauce. For that, take a bowl and into it goes 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. Next goes 1.5 teaspoon of brown sugar. This is rice vinegar. If you don't have rice vinegar, you can use white vinegar also. Adding 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Then next goes around 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and finally 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Now mix this well so that all the ingredients are well combined, and our homemade teriyaki sauce is also ready. Next, heat a pan and into it drizzle around 1 teaspoon of refined or vegetable oil. And when the oil is hot, we will add the boneless chicken cubes seasoned with salt and black pepper. And on medium flame, we need to saute them well until they turn crisp and deep golden brown from outside. For that, we need to keep flipping the chicken cubes in between. And by now the chicken cubes are fried well, crisp and deep golden brown from outside. Keep the chicken cubes in the side of the pan. And now we will add some minced garlic in the middle of the pan. I have used here 3 large garlic pods. Next goes 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. Now saute the minced garlic and ginger along with the chicken cubes until they turn translucent and aromatic. And now time to add our homemade teriyaki sauce. Mix this well along with the chicken cubes. Keep the flame on low to medium. I will add now a splash of water to rinse off the bowl. Mix this well and we will let the chicken cubes simmer in this sauce for just 1 minute. And by now our delicious teriyaki chicken is almost ready. But before turning off the flame, I will sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds and some spring onions which has been sliced diagonally. That's it. And friends, here goes our quick, easy and delicious teriyaki chicken on the serving plate. You can enjoy this as a complete meal along with steamed broccoli and with hot steamed rice. So friends, I hope you'll try this amazing chicken recipe, which is so quick and easy to make and tastes delicious. Also share your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.